Hello friends, hopefully everyone is fine, but I'm a little bit screwed up. As you can see, I have 3 videos upload failure on YouTube. It says processing abandoned, video is too long, so there is a time limitation by YouTube imposed on me. So let's try solving this issue. I'll go to settings, channel, advanced settings. No, it's a feature eligibility. Okay, if I click on standard features, everything is okay. If I click on intermediate features, as you can see, I have some issues here. I have one feature checked and I don't have my phone number verified, so I will have to verify my phone, then I will be able to upload video longer than 15 minutes. I will be able to custom thumbnail upload, and I will be able to live stream. So I will verify my phone. So let's click on verify phone number. It has taken me to another page. Okay. So I have put my phone number and I have verified it. As you can see, YouTube has verified my phone number. Let's go back. As you can see, it's also now checked. So the intermediate feature and together the advanced feature is now enabled. The requirements has been fulfilled. Okay, I click on okay, the save button is not working. I need to click on close. So hopefully this time I'll be able to upload longer videos. So let's try again. Create. Upload video. Now I was trying to upload this one here. Let's see what happens. It's loading. Why is it taking so long? Okay, it's taking too long. No man, it's not taking. So I think I have to delete these videos and try re-upload these. Okay, so yeah, all my 3 videos has been uploaded and public now. So problem solved. Now I'll delete these videos. yeah,